What does it say?
Izzy pulled our, went to look at our stocking and that thing came off, the stocking hanger, and fell down and broke the stocking.
What's that say?
Mitten.
A mitten?
I'm pretty excited about that.
What does it say?
What do you read it?
Well, I didn't read it.
What's it say?
Ooh. I got
You can
one
take it off
mitten.
while there.
Quack, quack.
Just a minute.
You know, that's where to wash with, like a wash mitt. So dub, dub, dub.
Then we have a lot.
Okay, just a minute. What did it say?
That doesn't make you.
Thank you.
Why does it have an M?
It's a T, I think.
Mommy, you have presents. Jessica, thank you for the presents.
Have.
Have fun on your new bike. Remember to wear your helmet and knee pads. I love you. See you next year, Santa.
Well, there you go.
There's only 2 from Daddy.
What's it say? What, Jessica, what does it say?
You tell you to wear your knee pads?
And yes.
Oh.
Can I
How
open
does Santa know you
these?
didn't wear your knee pads?
Can I open these? I did.
Oh, when you got that boo-boo on your knee.
Can I
Yes,
open
I
these,
did.
Daddy?
Sure.
Yay.
Why don't you wait a minute?
We'll just wait until Uncle Donnie comes out. Oh my goodness, what's that? Like Puff.
Is that a webkin?
It's a Puff the Magic Dragon?
And I have 2 of the same.
Oh, then they fell down. One of
When
them.
they fell down, I think one's Sissy's and one's yours.
Thank you.
Wow, that's